Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smithsonian channel on Fire TV step by step clearly. To activate the Smithsonian channel on your Fire TV, start by turning on your Fire TV device. Ensure that your Fire TV is connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the search icon located at the top left corner. Type in Smithsonian channel using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Smithsonian channel app from the search result. Choose the Get or Download option to install the app on your Fire TV. Once the installation is complete, open the Smithsonian channel app. You will see a welcome screen that prompts you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials and proceed. If you do not have an account, select the Create Account option to set one up. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing in, the app will provide an activation code. Take note of this activation code. Now, using a computer or mobile device, go to the Smithsonian Channel Activation website. Enter the activation code into the specified field on the website. Click on the Activate button to link your Fire TV app to your account. Return to your Fire TV. The Smithsonian Channel app should now display a confirmation message that activation was successful. You are now ready to explore and enjoy all the content available on the Smithsonian Channel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.